Today we're showing you a 2010 John Deere 3320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has 32 horsepower. Tractor has just over 200 hours. It's a very low hour tractor. Tractor is prior to all the Tier 4 emission controls. It's got the 300X quick attach front loader. Bucket also is quick attach. It's a 5-foot bucket. Got the front grill guard. And again, paint is excellent. R4 tires are in really good shape. It's got the Canopy top to go with it. It's got the power reverser transmission. Power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. It's got the 12 gears in it, so you've got 4 gears up here which are all synchronized, plus 3 ranges on the lever to the back here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have your 4-wheel drive engagement and park brake there to the left of the seat. To the right you've got your loader control and your 3-point control. Around the back the tractor has the top length 540 PTO, standard 3-point hitch with the stabilizer bars. If you're looking for a little tractor for some brush hogging or property maintenance, this is a perfect fit. And again, very low hours, excellent condition. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery so you can buy with confidence. We also take trades and offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.